Hey guys, welcome back. So today I wanted to give you a room tour of where we're staying. As you enter the room, the first thing you'll see is the kitchen, which is furnished with everything you'll need except for food. In the middle of that area, you will find a nice dining table with 4 comfy chairs. And next to that is the washer and dryer, which is super convenient. As you walk further in, there's a living room, which has the first TV and also a pull-out couch, along with extra chairs and a coffee table. Further down, we have the doors leading to the balcony. There were so many issues concerning this area. So my only issue with this place, I wish they gave me the option to like choose my room, because I probably would have chose like a floor higher. Just note that in building 2, I don't know if they have the same problem in building 1, but in building 2 they have a garage and it's directly below the 4th floor. We are on the 4th floor, so it's like the way how it's set up, you could actually see the cars before you see the view. Like, I'll show you so you guys could see that, but I thought that was weird. Like, I don't want to come and see people's cars and I don't want people to see me. So that's my only issue pertaining to this room, but I feel like it depends on the room. So if you choose like a better room or whatever, just make sure you ask questions, because I feel like I didn't ask enough questions, and I also felt like usually they ask you if you prefer like a type of room. That's what they did at the last hotel, but this one, no. So just make a note of that. But yeah, let's continue. Across from the living room, there are 2 French doors which lead to the bedroom. To your right, there is a window and a chair to lounge in next to the bed. In front of the bed, we have the second TV and also a dresser with drawers for storing clothing. And next to that, there's a closet which has extra blankets if needed, and also a mirror right next to it. Next up, we have the bathroom. The bathroom came with a shower, a separate tub, and also double sinks. I really like this bathroom, especially the shower. I like the fact that it was separate from the tub. And I don't know if you guys realize, but the tub filler was actually in the ceiling. So I thought it was pretty cool. And for the toilet area, there was also a sliding door in case you needed privacy, and I just love that. So guys, that concludes this room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the vlog, and yeah, have a good one guys. Bye.